The gas cutter is currently cutting the bottom base plate. Gas cutting is being work in progress with the help of a pug machine. The gas cutting continuing the bottom base plate is being carried out in accordance with the details provided in the drawing. Gas cutting is being work in progress with the help of a pug machine. After drilling the holes, the bottom base plate is being used for fitting according to the fitting gauge. Friends, the bottom base plate is being used as per the fitting gauge. The slotting hole is being cleaned. The slotting hole is being cleaned. This is the bottom base plate fitting gauge. Friends, you are looking that fitters are setting the bottom base plate on it. Setting is being continued from both sides. Friends, you are looking at two bottom base plates for attaching on both sides of the HB. The gauge has been made according to the details in the drawing. Setting is being continued from both sides. After that, the fitting of the drilling that was done on the top base plate and H-beam earlier will be placed on top of it. Friends, the marking was done on the bottom base plate as per the drawing, and on top of it an H-beam has been placed and fitting is. The fitter is carefully measuring the H-beam. Fitter is checking off the H-beam. The fitter is fitting the bottom base plate with the H-beam accurately by taking proper measurements. The fitter is accurately fitting the bottom base plate. Welder is applying tack welds. Hey friends, the welder is aligning the bottom base plate by placing tacks. Friends, the welder is setting the bottom base plate by welder on all four sides of the bottom base plate. Friends, the welder is setting the bottom base plate by tag welding on all four sides of the bottom base plate. By placing tags on all sides, you are currently observing the fitting process in close view. The welder is applying tack welds. You are currently observing the fitting process in close view. On the other side of the beam, the bottom base plate is being fitted with the help of C-clamps. The fitting on both sides work in progress. From a close view using C-clamps, the bottom base plate is being fitted on the H-beam. The welder is applying tack welds. Both sides have been fitted properly. The fitting on both sides has been completed. Base plate is being attached to the H-beam using rivets. The riveters are doing the riveting work. Riveting is happening on both sides. The riveter is currently engaged in riveting work. The riveting process has been completed. Riveting is happening on both sides. The riveter is currently engaged in riveting work. The riveting process has been completed. Riveting is happening on both sides. The riveter is currently engaged in riveting work. The riveting process has been completed.